Alrighty, g'day everyone. Well, welcome. Hope everyone's well. Quick sound check. Alrighty, g'day everyone. Sounds like I'm coming through. Before we do start, folks, just familiarise yourself with the standard disclaimer that says everything is for educational purposes only, and that you are responsible for your trading decisions. And by continuing to view this, you agree. G'day, Multi. Alright, so market's a little bit quiet. Just had some pound news. S&P 500. So getting this little bounce, excuse me, this bounce as we expected. So far so good. So Nasdaq same, Dow the same. So we had a couple of trades on these, which I'll put out as a recap, which we will have a look at. The VIX just moving back down. So we have this big move. We expect a little bit of a pullback, so we're getting that. Apologies for my voice as well, folks. Got a little bit of a sore throat again. Seems like after I had COVID, seems like I'm getting something every now and then. Getting this tickly throat that seems to last, which don't know whether anyone else has had the same experience. Anyway, so that's the macro. I'll just show you those trades quickly. So here's the Dow. Top of the 40-60 box, look right to it. I was looking for a push through there. Hey Justin. So right at the 4-hour anchor, see that? So look, beautiful ABC on the 60-minute entry through there. Look, nice push. So well done if you took that one. That was a great trade. On the Dow. And the other one was the DAX. Germany 40, very similar price action on the daily. Not quite as deep, not quite as deep a pullback. But what we did say was on the 4-hour, we had this, look, this big inefficient move here. Take note of this, folks. This is all part of market structure. And I expected it to give back some. Who remembers that? I remember I expected it to come back to there. Look at it, came back right to it. So pretty good, pretty ideal. Four-hour anchor right here. These were counter trend trades. 60-minute. So there's the 4-hour anchor. Look right here. Big V reversal. A, B, look, shakeout C. Plus the bullish 180 right here. Entry through there. Initial stop here. On that push there, you can bring it up to there. So look, good move with that one. Really good. So I hope a couple of you got that one. Those trades, they were good trades. I did say early in the week that you've got to pick your battles carefully, but there are some opportunities which we saw, which we've got. Dollar index going nowhere. I'd be a little cautious about. And there's the thunder. Taking the breakout through here. Euro. Euro's had a big move, but so it's holding the short-term moving average. Had this pullback here, a few wicks here. So if you do like this, look at how it behaves around there. Look, just be careful, you know, it could fake out again. You're better off looking for shorter term trades in there and testing at least 2/3 of this wick. Euro. So the crypto's just going nowhere. So not much to see there. Still short that one. Ethereum. So yeah, a bit sort of range bound, a few of those. Gold and silver. Actually pushed on, which is good. One that I do like. Now actually, before I get to that too, Aussie yen. Oh, it's moved. Alright, apologies for that. I should have done that first. Okay, so some of these big climactic moves. The best one out of these has been the Aussie yen. And this one here I was going to mention at the start of the stream, but look, it's already popped. So I hope a few of you saw those. We spoke about waiting for the right opportunity. Very funky little base there, so that would have been a reasonable entry. But then we've got this volatility contraction, so you would have been right taking breakout entry through there on that one. And then there's the ABC that I spotted just before. So I'm in that one. So Aussie yen has been very good. Oh, there it is on the 5 minute. But pretty good on the 15. So keep looking for those, folks. But Aussie yen's about the only one that's moved reasonably well. Okay, silver. It's not bad on the daily. Got a big push here. Trying to break the high here. It's pulling back. It could pull back even further. But if it... So we've now got our cut with handle here with an ABC here on the 4 hour. So you can look for trades through B there. That's what I'm seeing with that one. So I'll put that one on the list. Silver. It's coming into the trend line through there. You can see, look, that's valid. So just be mindful of that. Draw that on your chart. See there? Silver. Alright, so Aussie CAD. That's the other one. Big move down. Broke the daily anchor here. And then this is now the daily anchor right here to the new downtrend, newly formed downtrend. It's back above the 20. So there's that level, which is the daily anchor. So nice, reasonable momentum into it. May get a pullback here. That would be worth taking. If not, look for a setup afterwards. Got a little bit of a price void through there as well. Aussie CAD. So we had CAD news. The other one I'm seeing is, which is actually counter trend short, is pound CAD. A few of the pound pairs have been short. So this one here, the anchor's right back here on the daily. So it's tagged the 200 on the weekly chart, right to it. So it's pulling back. So just looking to take advantage of this down move. $40-60 boxes out of the way, right down here. And that is that leg. You can also take that leg if you want. So a little bit of momentum there, so purely sort of counter trend with this one. So you can see on the 4 hour, it's already pulled back. So we've had a decent push. It's already pulled back, so it's probably a trade there already. And there is, look. So we had the move up, the single leg pullback, kind of into this swing. And we had the bullish and bearish engulfing. And then multi-spirit's favourite pause bar, so entry through the low, so that's on its way. So you can see here it's been holding the short-term moving average. The odd time it pulls back into the 20. So it may give us a deeper pullback now. But if not, it could be already on its way. So keep your eye on that one. Pound CAD. So that's about all I'm seeing, folks. Actually, the Euro Pound. I've been watching Euro Pound for a while with this structure here. Euro Pound has a habit of sort of going to sleep for ages, then all of a sudden moving hard. So that's what I've been seeing in here. So got some nice momentum through here. So if you like this one, keep your eye on this one for shorter term trades. There's no sort of major setup there yet. But certainly got potential. So that's what I'm seeing with Euro Pound. The big wedging structure. See the big weekly, big push. Well, it's just done this big ABC. So this level here will be kind of critical. It's back into an uptrend on the daily. So I've got permission to look for longs. So that is about all I'm seeing, folks. So not a lot. A lot of the other ones that we were looking at just didn't trigger. So a little bit of a slim pickings. Still risk off. I'd still go with that neutral to risk off. Or risk off with caution. You want to maybe keep your risk a bit lower during this time. We are getting very close to Christmas, so just play it safe, folks. Any pairs that you want me to look at, folks? Any markets that we want to look at? Dollar South African, wow. I do look at that every now and again. It's on my list. So let's do the top down. Big weekly, big weekly move. Weekly anchors here. So we got price acceptance short. We have. So we've got this pullback, so we're short. We've just got this big consolidation here, but you can see for weeks it's been going nowhere. So you want to be a little careful with this. Daily. So you can see the work I've been doing on it. So the daily, the daily chart. So daily downtrend. Where's the daily anchor? It's right here. Here. Or is it? $469. 475, yeah, so that's it there. So have we got price acceptance long here? We probably have. So we got the big push through here, but notice, you know, this is just really just sideways difficult. So I think there's probably better markets to look at, multi. So really needs to break this low, or needs to consider this a pullback and really break through this. So not really the best. So I'd leave this one alone. It's kind of directionless. You have to remember too, folks, as you probably a lot of you realise, there's a slim time when we have edge in the market, isn't there? Right, like that Aussie yen, right? So that's pushing nicely. So let's go back to that quickly, and I will do the dollar Norwegian. So that was a good one. Look, right, so there's a limited time where we have edge in the market. That one gave two good trades. The rest of the time, we just sit it out, no trade. All right. Trading is all about being disciplined, isn't it? Discipline in every aspect. Dollar Norwegian. So dollar Norwegian, the weekly. All right, no indicators, nothing. Big move on the weekly. Where's the weekly anchor? It's here. That's testing it. So it's a key level, isn't it? And I would imagine probably through here that's probably broken the daily. So see, we've got very much overlapping price action in here as well. So difficult, another difficult one, multi. So let's have a look at the daily. No, there's no price acceptance there yet, is there? All right, so we're still uptrending on the weekly. The daily. Right there. It looks like just a slightly lower low. Yep, see it pause there, look. Notice it paused here. So then we've got price acceptance through here. So we're downtrending. Okay, I did even mark this myself, look. So I did look at this one. Looking for it to break through the anchor here and see whether it was going to move through. We've got a new low, we have. All right. So the anchor now is here. So the anchor actually can go backwards. And that's precisely what it did here. So we're still down, downtrending. Got a double bottom low. Really, look for a cup with handle down here, or look at how it behaves up around the anchor. So another tough one. I think so. A lot of we'll go through the US pairs and we'll see. We will see. Dollar CAD we've been watching. I've been watching for it to break, decisively through here. Nothing. Dollar Swiss, look, just holding in here. Dollar Chinese 1 is interesting. Look, got this base. Look, this base that's been going on forever. See, through here. Very, very interesting. Dollar yen. Well, waiting for this, some sort of decent setup, aren't we? We're not getting it. Look, even on the 15 minute, was no real clean setups, was there? Dollar Mexican, there was nothing. Dollar Norwegian, we did. The one that is okay, look, I've been watching this as well, Dollar Swedish. Let me just quickly go to it. All right, so gold. All right, for all of you scalpers. All right, keep your eye on this. This has done the big secondary move. So look for longs on this. If you've got this reasonable spread, this is not that good. But look for longs. I'm just watching this on another screen. I'm sorry if I seem a bit distracted. All right. So down, little double bottom. I took that one. Got to move into here. Then gave us that second low. And now it's pushing up. We've got a little bit of a bullish 180. Yes, Trader UK. So it's got this big range through here. So that's what I like for the potential for a bounce. All right, so it's just through the 8 now. Yep, I thought you liked that one, Justin. All right, so look for longs through here. All right, just be careful. The 5-minute anchor is right here, 2. All right, so it's kind of toying with that. Look, and then just be careful when it gets up around the 20. But it's got a big inefficient leg there to cover. All right, so if you've got a better this is actually Trader. The spreads aren't too good. Look, see the bid and the ask. It's too much. Right, and it's typical of this time of year as well too. All right, but it's got potential. And then it could just, fail here and just give us another low. But, yeah, so far so good. So that is what I'm seeing, folks. Not much, as expected. But we did get a couple of good trades this week, so I guess we can't complain. Yeah, very good Trader UK. So we did get a couple of good trades this week that were worth waiting for. So let's see what we get. That gold too. Look out for the inverse head and shoulders. So there we go. Oh, very good, Howard. I hope you had a good time. All right, folks, take care. Trade safe, and we'll see you tomorrow an hour earlier. All right, folks. Bye for now.